Hello everyone, today we have something new. It's the 2023 Star Wars Galaxy. This is my first box. Hopefully it's going to be a good box. Let's take a look at some of the writing. It's a lot of very hard to see. Grogu is right there as usual. So let's open this up. Well, recapping a bit of Ahsoka, already up to 4 episodes. 3 chrome parallels guaranteed per box. I think the case is it is sketch card. Yeah. But for this product, I believe you'll be chasing more on the numbered products. Nothing much information on this one. It's quite surprising for tops. Usually they have more information. Yeah, so the chase for this is definitely the sketch card. I think last year they provide one sketch card per box. I'm not sure why they reduce everything into one a case, so it's getting harder to get a sketch card. But I'm excited on this. If you like original art without any screen grab, this is the product for you. There's no movie screenshot from here anywhere, but we'll get started. This is how many packs is this? Oh, see, look for original sketch card right inside there. Oops, sorry. That's from the previous product. Look for autographs. Okay, the autographs here is a bit even harder. 18 packs per box, 4 packs per pack. So there's only dual autos and triple autos, so it's going to be very hard to get. But we might get it. So let's hope for Grogu for good luck on this product. Let's get started and take a look at this. All the art, the original art of this product. Okay, 4 cards per pack. I believe you get 1 refractor per pack. Okay, that's Leia right there. Very nice art. So you do get a refractor, and I think every insert is a refractor. So, ooh, look at that. That should be Millennium Falcon. Princess Leia, Organa. This one is a Millennium Falcon, and that's an insert. Bucket of bolts. Okay, that's not this is not a refractor, but look at that. Look at that. That is a nice showdown on the Goba. Okay, so that should be an insert. Oh no, it's not an refractor. It's a refractor, but not an insert. It's number 14. Skirmish about Salak. Okay, that's a refractor right there. That's our first refractor. You do get 1 per pack, so that's nice. Cards look clean. I like it. Okay, let's continue. Production wise, it looks clean. So let's continue. Ooh, that's a nice one right there. See, this should be episode 9. Okay, 2 refractor. I believe 1 is insert. That's Han Solo. Projection. Yeah, this should be the fatal blow. That's a nice art right there. So this is that a refractor or insert? Okay, let's do. Okay, that's a refractor. Number 7. Han Solo draws. That should be Han Solo. And this one is Star Wars Empire Strikes Back. This is the insert card. Collect all Star Wars Darth Vader and Bounty Hunters card. Okay, this is the Bounty Hunter. Okay, so all insert is refractor, so I believe. Oh, that's nice. I think that's the stone at the Luke Island. Yeah, that's right. That's a very nice art right there. Continuing on. So yeah, today video might be a bit long since I do enjoy looking at these cards slowly. Okay, this should be from Book of Boba Fett, I believe. Oh, is that our first? No, that's not our first hit. Oh, Yoda. Tusken under Twin Sun. Yeah. Oh, nice. Yoda in refractor. That's a nice Yoda right there. Old Master Yoda. Let's lift this up. That's a very nice one. Let's see, Old Master Yoda, very clean. Looks like a bit off, a bit to the left, the centering. That's a nice one. Oh, this X-Wing is a very nice one too, against the background of a Death Star right there. Battle of Yavin. And oh, that's a Millennium Falcon. Okay. Next. Back. Okay, messed that up. So yeah, Ahsoka already up to episode 4. Very nice. I love the episode 4. Some very good, a lot of good fight scene. Okay, that's an insert, one insert, and one refractor. I don't know who that is. Oh, that's a nice Lobot. Okay, that is a nice one. That is a nice one right there. This is Jango draws his pistol. That is look at that. Very nice. Let's Jango. Then this should be an insert. Vintage Star Wars Return of the Jedi poster card. That is a very nice poster card with C-3PO and R2-D2 with two lightsaber right there, green and red. Very nice insert. That's a nice art too. The Pursuit. Very nice. Continue on. Oh, this is what happened there? No, nothing. Okay. Continuing. Queen in a portrait. I think that's the what people are chasing for the. This is a very nice Darth Vader right there too. Unfortunately, that's a base. Okay, we should have our first hit that looks like a purple. That's Vengeful Pursuit, and this is what people are chasing. Queen Padme Amidala, a queen in the portrait. That is a very nice one right there. Looks like a Mona Lisa. Okay, so that's our first hit. This is a purple. Not sure what's the number. What's this? Okay, out of 50. Out of 50. Okay, what a piece of junk. That's our hit. Mon Mothma, I believe. Out of 50, that's a very, very nice purple. Everything is purple. Mon Mothma. Yeah. Rogue One Star Wars Stories collect all the women of Star Wars Galaxy poster card. Okay, that's a nice, very nice purple. Very nice purple. So that's our first number, I believe. You're supposed to get 3. So that's a good one. 50. Of course, we are chasing the Super Fractor. 1 of 1. And we have another insert with this is Lando, I believe. Yep. And we have a very nice Boba Fett right there. Oh, that's a nice one right there. Bounty acquired. That's a Boba Fett. Refractor. Oh, very nice. And this should be, look at that centering. This is horrible centering. Look at that way they cut. It should be another insert like this. Woman of Padme Amidala, Woman of Star Wars. But look at that horrible centering. Oh no, this is so bad. This is very bad centering. Not sure what's happening there. But yeah, let's put it there. Let's put everything there. And Chewy with porks. So pork is a food somehow. So you can make pork soup. They actually have a recipe for it. If you can find a pork to make a soup out of it. That should be from Rogue One. Torture droid. Oh, that's nice. And we have, okay, Kenobi visage. And we have Mando and Grogu. Okay, centering looks good. I think I'm going to send this for grading. A bit off on this side, a bit thicker on this side, but yeah, that's a very nice art right there. Wingman. Very nice. You're there, Grogu. And Yoda. Wise Yoda. Continuing on. Let's see, we still have 2 more number card to hit. Okay, that's our second one, I believe. Looks like, what's that? We'll see. I forgot the name though. That's a Millennium Falcon. And is that Prism? Okay, Darth Maul. Okay, that's a nice hit. Out of 75. Out of 75. Okay. Darth Maul, that looks sick. This is I think this should be the Prism 75. Let me take a look at it. Doesn't say anything here. Let me check. Where is it? 75 is, yeah, Prism. That's a Prism refractor, but that's a nice art right there of Face the Dark Side. So this is a Prism refractor. Really nice if it's the orange out of 25. Will make really nice hit right there. 22 out of 75, not bad number. Oh, this is one of my favorite one here. Look at that Darth Vader with his face behind it. Storm. Yeah, that is a nice one. That's a nice art right there. I hope I can get something. Okay, Darth Maul again, but in normal refractor. And that is a nice one. Art of the Duel. Galactic Vision. Galactic Vision. That is nice. Japanese style. With R2-D2. That is nice. So you can compare. This is the Darth Maul normal refractor, and that's the prism. Which one do you like better? And that's Han Solo in Frozen. So we already get 2 numbered hits. Should be one more. We could have more. We could have good hits. Okay. That's Death Star still being built. And we have Emperor Palpatine of Naboo. Oh, that's nice here. Look at that art. Okay. Dawn of the Rebellion. That's Dawn of the Rebellion. And oh, this is when Yoda lift up an X-wing. Do or do not. Huh. Very nice. Beautiful arts right here. Galaxy might not be for everybody. Some people do like screen grab better, like the flagship and all that. That is a very nice Darth Vader with an X-wing and TIE fighter right there. That is a very nice art. Okay, Boba Fett for refractor, and another Boba Fett refractor insert, and that's Yoda. It is an insert for bounty hunters and Darth Vader and bounty hunters. And we have the normal base cut in refractor. That is best. Oh, it's Bespin. No, Boba Fett still was at Bespin. Yup. Continue on. Let's see more. So this is a 100 cut base set. For I don't think you can get a whole set with just one box, since it's 4 with 16. What is it? 18 packs. Yeah. So it's only how many? 16, 32, 72 cards. That's a nice one. Ooh, I wish we can get a parallel of this. This is nice. Look at this. Look at that. Star Wars Saga. And that is a very nice R2-D2 and C-3PO overlooking, what is it actually? Let's take a look. Behind Dune Sea Palace. Oh, Jabba Palace with Han Solo captured inside. Okay. And we have all this 80 marching. We have 6 more packs. Continue on a little more. What do you guys think about this product? Overall, I'm quite happy. All this art is beautiful arts. And we have an insert right there. A bunch of insert actually. That is a nice view of building the... Okay, ooh, Revenge of the Jedi. The saga continues. This will be an insert. And it's a trap. From the eyes of the Admiral Akbar. So let's the saga continues. This is a very nice poster. This, yeah, a vintage poster. And we have this. Come on, let's get the Super Fractor. Looking for that Super Fractor. Okay, we have another Boba Fett right there. with nice Han Solo on the hunt. This is Han Solo, the captain captured. That is a nice Darth Vader. Feels a bit off on the shoulder. Carbonite chamber duel. And that looks weird somehow. Looks weird. Imperial Agent of Evil. Not my favorite art right there. Darth Vader looks funny there. Okay, continuing. We have this is Darth Vader again. I think after wait. When that okay, wow, look at that horrible centering. Remnant of Kenobi. Okay. Look at that centering. What's wrong with this? Queen Amidala? Centering from the back is fine. Looks fine. Star Wars Galaxy poster, but oh my god. Is it supposed to be like this? I don't think so. Look at that. It's just way off. Way off. The cutting is not so well this time for the Galaxy. That's when Darth Vader become Darth Vader. Huh. Just weird. Even the backs look fine. The backs look fine. Okay. Huh. Where's our? We have 2 cards left. That's a nice shot right there. Nice drawing. Okay, Yoda. Master of the Force. And Obi-Wan, I believe. Okay, that's... Oh, Luke. And Darth Vader, his father, Anakin Skywalker. Vader redeemed. And we have this Sacred Tree. We have atomic. I believe that's an atomic right there. And nice Stormtrooper right there. We have an atomic. I love. Oh, look at that scratches. You can see. I hope you can see. It's not so good. I think the scratching is very bad. Scratches right there. Could be the roller on the printing. Okay, let's go. That's a nice art right there. That's a nice Rey and Kylo Ren. But let's take a look at our atomic. Come on, who do we have there? That looks interesting. Yeah, that's Darth Vader. All right, Darth Vader is nice. Okay. Nice. Out of 150. Out of 150. Luke Skywalker, Yoda, and Darth Vader behind him. Okay, nice. Nice. Let's take a look. Weight of Destiny. Ability Force. Plucked by Doubt. Yoda knew Luke wasn't ready. Vader in effort to save his friends. That is a nice atomic right there. Out of 150. Out of 150. Okay, last pack. Are we going to get something? Last pack. Magic, come on. In just an insert, that's R2D2 and C3PO again, and we have the AT, and oh, that's a nice one. On the prowl, we have R2D2 and C3PO Japanese style again. Galactic Vision Chrome. Okay, so what do you guys think about this product? Overall, kind of disappointed why they changed ROM launcher from a SketchUp box to into a case head. So that's a bit disappointing, but overall the art is very beautiful. That's the base we got. That's the base we got, and let's take a look at this insert. I believe there's let's see how many insert. So we have the, which one is this? 4 long. Oh, this is the bounty. This is the vintage. We have the women, Galactic Vision, Darth Vader, 40th, women, Galactic Vision. Also, you do get 2 each. I'm not sure whether that's on purpose or not, but we do get two of each insert. This is from the Star Wars Empire Strikes Back, Darth Vader and Bounty Hunters art card. There's 2 of this, and we have 2 of the poster, 2 of the Women of Star Wars with horrible cutting, both of them. Look at that, both of them. Okay, and this Visions original. That's a very nice one here, right there. That's the duel. That's a very nice one. Then we have 3 our guaranteed numbered. 150 of this. I like it. Not too shabby. This 150 is quite okay. Then this is what I like the most. Darth Maul in 75 Prism. That is Automech. And number 50, Mon Mothma. Number 50 is called Purple Refractor. It's just purple, but that's a very purple. Everything purple. Very nice. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you think about this product. Bye bye.